OpSense has created a flexible and customizable solution. Designed around your unique business needs, OpSense has the ability to include monitoring of all your critical operations in one enterprise-grade platform. OpSense digitally tracks key areas of enterprise operations and increases efficiency by reducing labor, energy, and equipment costs, optimizing lighting, HVAC, refrigeration, energy resources, inventory and supply chains, monitoring key retail operations in real time with faster time to resolution. The OpSense platform can be completely tailored to your business's unique challenges and needs. With OpSense, we can install wireless sensors throughout your store, warehouse, and even your transportation fleet, and the sensors connect to gateways to transmit data in real time. When conditions fall out of range, your staff becomes notified and is assigned specific actions and tasks. You can also create web-based dashboards and run reports that can be tailored to fit your unique company needs. Through OpSense, you can securely access data, easily download reports, and be prepared for audits and compliance reviews at any time. And if you have an existing operational system, the OpSense platform is designed to seamlessly integrate into any process. OpSense enables you to achieve the highest standards of productivity and efficiency. Take control of your operations. Sign up for your free demo with OpSense today. www.opsense.com